Welcome to our class. Today we'll be treating simple interest. Now we have example here. A car costing 10,000 naira was hired at 5% interest per annum. Now find the interest the car would have yielded in 8 years. So now we have the car costs 10,500 naira. Now, the formula for simple interest is principal. Principal is this: P T R all over 100. Let me just put times here, but you know all these things are times. Now, principal times time times rate. Now, the car costs 10,000 naira. Our P is equal to 10,500. And it was hired at 5% interest. That is, our R rate is equal to 5%. Now, find the interest the car would have yielded in 8 years. That is, the time is 8. That is 8 years. So, if we apply this to our formula, we know that we have our simple interest is equal to, our P is what? 10,500. Times our T is what? 8 years. Times our R is what? 5%. All over 100. Therefore, our simple interest is equal to, what do? We cancel 0 with 0. Cancel 0 with 0. Then we multiply this one out. We have 105 times 8 times 5. 105 times 8 times 5 is equal to 4,200 naira. What does it mean? It means that this car that was hired at 10,500 yielded an interest of 4,200 in 8 years at the rate of 5%. If you want to know the amount that will be paid to the owner after a period of 8 years at the rate of 5%, that is the total, both the principal and the interest, we now have the amount is equal to the simple interest plus the principal, which is, the simple interest is 4,200 plus 10,500. So you calculate it and tell me the answer in the comment section. Ciao.